In today's video, I am going to show you a new method that works perfectly for TextNow. Previously, I have shown a method that also worked. That was the simplest method. You can try also. It will work for lifetime. But today I will show you another method that also works for TextNow. Another thing is that there will no need IP or VPN for creating the TextNow account. So this is very unique and important thing. So before starting this video, make sure hit the like button. First we need to download the app. So go to Play Store. App name is UGphone. And download the app. I have downloaded it, so I just open it. Click on start. Here you can see a login option. Here click on get start. And first you need to sign up here. Now you need an invitation code. I will leave the invitation code in description. You can check it, put it here and confirm. Enable notification as you wish. Okay. So I got a 250 points, 250 diamond. From this diamond I will get 4 hours trial. We need a USA proxy, USA UGphone, so choose it, America. And then 4 hours for 250 diamonds, choose it and confirm. So payment is processing. So payment is already done. Check details. So you may face few problems here. If you face any kind of problem, nothing is showing, so just close it and open it again. After that I found a phone like this. So this is another phone. First go to Play Store and sign in here. If you don't have many mail, just create it from here. Input your first name, date of birth and gender. Everyone can create account, Gmail account. That's why I am skipping. Now choose your password and then next. Now you need a phone number. There are a lot of sites that provide USA phone number. I will leave all sites in the description. First check all the sites where number price is cheapest and then use the number. I am using it from SMS pool. So code sent. Here is the code. And this is the number. And next. And agree the terms. So account is created. Our Google account is created. Accept. Accept. I am not a robot. Fill up the captcha. So check. I have just created account and login on new Gmail. First download the TextNow app. I have downloaded the app. I faced few problem on Play Store. That's why I have downloaded it from website. And tap on sign up. You can create an account using your email, Gmail or Facebook. I will use the email option for this tutorial. Enter your email address and create a password. Now agree the terms and click on sign up. Now here press and hold. This device is not certified device, so you may face the problem because of you have no root phone. If you root the phone, you can create multiple times unlimited account without any VPN or proxy. For details video, please check my previous video, so you will better understand how to create the account. You may not face the problem because I have some issue in my phone. My phone is China variant, that may be a problem. Okay, anyway, that's all for today. I will share a lot of methods like go to bank method, chime bank method. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video.